Hi everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use what3words function in Jeeny app. Jeeny is a popular ride-hailing app in the Middle East, and when booking a ride, you can enter your destination using a 3-word address. Now let's see how this is done. When you open the app, you can choose from 3 kinds of rides, and I'm going to choose private. The GPS will determine my current location automatically, so I can just tap on confirm pickup. And when adding the drop-off location, I can use a 3-word address. I'm going to type in fans, classic, dreaming. You can see the auto-suggest just gave me a list of 3 possible suggestions, and I'm going to choose this one. Now the address appeared on the map, and I can now tap on confirm drop-off and book a ride. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you with the next tutorial.